Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you how to open Microsoft Office Access. So after you open the software, here you will find this will be your first head page or the first page that you will see. So if you want to create blank database, all you need is to click on this one, or you are going to click on some presets that are already uh, added or are included in Microsoft Access. So let's start only with blank database so I can show you the basics of Microsoft Access. You are just going to click on blank database and it will create it. So now I will have this table here, and here you will start to add your tables that are your databases. So the best way to add or to create your table is to go to the design mode and just name your table here. For example, just test and click OK. This is the design mode is the best mode to add or to create your table. Here you will find all the field name that you have. So basically most of the databases start with ID because ID will be an auto number, so it won't have some repetition in the records. Also, it will be the primary key because it is the only specific or the special key or a special field that not be repeated in all the records. Here now you can choose your name of records or fields. For example, let's have it name of student, for example, student, and it will be a short text. Let's add, for example, age, and it will be a number. We going to click number. Also, you can add dates in uh, date birth, for example, birth, and add date or time, date or time. You can just click on this arrow and you will see all the type of data that are included on a database or in Access database. So here I choose the date time, and after that I'm just going to the view menu and I'm going to click yes to save the table, and yes, and as you can see I have here my fields that have been added. Now I'm just going to add something, your records, like that. It just choose something and they will be added automatically, and this is how you can fill your database. Another thing that you will need to see or to know about the database are the queries. Queries are some tools or requests to help you filter out your table. For example, if you have like a thousands of records, you will need just to go to the query and you can add some operations on them, like select them, append. Yeah, that means add in a record, or updates. That means modifying a record. So or delete record. Basically, you have just to click on a type of the query that you want, and you will add your tables and add all the fields that you want. I mean, like that. Just click on that, and for example, run, and it will show me all the records, etc., etc. So basically, this is how you open Microsoft Access. So thank you for watching, and goodbye.